How to play games on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily play games or launch games on Discord. So first, just head over to your Discord application if you're using mobile devices like this, and simply head over to any of your channel, and you can see there is a game icon right next to the gift button as well as your message section. So just tap on this, and once you tap on this game icon, you can see there are a lot of games available for you to play, as well as there are trending games as well. So you can just click on this view more and simply choose any one of these games just like this, and you can view the description of that particular game. And as you can see, the unlimited text represents that multiple players can play this game at once. So you can just tap on this launch, or you can also tap on this launch in DM to launch in with a specific person. So I'll simply tap on this launch since I want this game to run on this channel. And once it gets run, people can join by simply tapping on this join button over here. So you can also easily authorize everyone's access just like this. Simply tap on this authorize, and whenever the member inside your channel click on this join button, they can also join this game just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.